Hey, welcome back. I'm visiting with the hatefulest woman on earth. Y'all know I'm kidding. We just got back from a doctor's visit and we got good news, so we're happy about that. But I've been putting off doing a little quick video on this coffee maker I used to play with when I was a kid all the time. I was doing a back and forth with Mr. Glenn Stevens about it. I don't know if you can hear it. Apparently still works. I don't know if y'all ever use it or not.
No, I've just used it for ornamental.
Yeah. You got a screw-on cap here. You take it off, put the coffee beans in, and then it's got a little drawer here in the bottom. Put the coffee grounds out of it. Oh, I'll bring it over there and let you see if I can get closer. That has been around for a while. Check out the ornamental handle on it there.
Daddy paid $20 for that.
Dad gave $20 for it. When?
Probably at least 30 years ago.
30. We've been here since 70.
Yeah,
We've
well,
had it before then.
it's probably 50 years.
Yeah, that'd be more like it because I'm getting ready to be 62. There's the little that's what I used to do to it when I was little. I guess I just liked that sound. But anyway, thought I'd do a little video on it. You wanna shoot my subscribers before we sign off? Appreciate y'all stopping by. Everybody stay safe out there, and I'll catch you next time.